Welcome. In this lesson, we'll write a JavaScript program that finds the greatest common divisor, or GCD, of two positive numbers. We'll use the Euclidean algorithm implemented with recursion. This is a classic example of dividing a problem into smaller parts. Let's dive in and understand the problem. The GCD of two numbers is the largest number that divides both evenly. We'll use the Euclidean algorithm, which says GCD of A and B is the same as GCD B A modulo B. We'll apply this recursively until one of the numbers reach 0. We define a function called GCD that takes two arguments, A and B. If B is 0, we return A as the GCD. Otherwise, we'll call the function again with B and the remainder of A divided by B. This continues until B is 0. Each algorithm repeatedly reduces the problem size by dividing and taking remainders. Each call brings us closer to an answer. When B finally becomes 0, we found the GCD. Let us see an example of this in action. For 2154 and 458, we follow the recursive chain down step by step. Each step simplifies the problem by taking the remainder. When we reach a remainder of 0, the last non-zero value is the GCD. In this case, 2 is the answer. GCD calculations are used in many real-world scenarios. They help in simplifying fractions, finding common divisors, and solving interview problems. In cryptography, the Euclidean algorithm is crucial for key generation. Let's wrap up with a quick summary. We built a recursive function to calculate the GCD of two numbers. It is efficient and highlights the power of recursion. Try using different inputs to see how the algorithm adapts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.